In this video, I will show you how to make a water dispenser easily at home. Now, as you can see, it is a perfect fit for our ultrasonic sensor. Now, using a hot glue gun, I fixed its place. Then I placed all my electronic components inside the body. Here I have done a little change. I am using a relay and a 9-volt battery to operate the water pump. Now connect a pipe with the pump. Then I attach the rest of the parts. I am using this as a water container for my dispenser. Now everything is done and it looks great. From here the water will come out. I have made a hatch on the top of it because I am going to power it directly from my laptop. To make it look better, I am using this black box as a base on which we will place our glass. Now let's check it. As you can see, it's working great. When I place the glass on the base, it starts providing the water, and when I remove it, it stops.